Here's a quick tutorial on how to buy and sell stocks on Revolut. So on Revolut you can buy and sell stocks. So to do this, I'll show you what you need to do. So as you can see, I've already invested in one stock. That's why I can see the stock section right here. So if you want to sell this, all you need to do is select your investment that you want to sell. So I'll select this one. And then you can click on sell right here. So you can select how much you want to sell, and then you can click on sell in the bottom. And then to buy stocks, all you need to do is come to the hub in the bottom right. Then here under wealth you can see stocks, so click on this. And then you can click on add money, and with this feature you can add money from your Revolut account into your stocks section. So once you've done this, you can click on invest. And then you can search up a stock that you want to invest in. So for example, if you want to purchase some Tesla stock, just search up Tesla. I've already got it right here. And then you can click on buy. Then select how much you want to invest. So for example, $10, and then just click on buy Tesla. So that's how you can buy and sell stocks on Revolut. Please like and subscribe if this helped, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.